The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm.
Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them.
Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter and clean out the excess debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1255 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Then push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.